Hello everyone, I was just outside pruning my 5 variety plum tree, which is looking a little overgrown, and I encountered something that stopped me in my tracks. Let me show you what I found. So this is the branch that I was pruning, and I discovered something very interesting when I was pruning. If you can see, here we go. This is what's going on in my plum tree. It's like a nature show. Looks like these ladybugs are just doing their thing, and probably gonna give me some baby ladybugs pretty soon, which will be awesome for all the aphids that are coming out in my yard. So let's see if I can get another angle here. I think it's gonna give them some privacy. It's so hard to keep the camera steady when you're close up, but I just wanted to show you what I found when I came out to prune my plum tree. So this is going to stop my further pruning for a few weeks. Hopefully that is long enough to give these ladybugs their eggs a chance, to give the ladybug eggs a chance to hatch. And then we'll have some baby ladybugs in our tree. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good day.